Transforming discarded scrap wood into wall art deco is an act of creative rescue that reveals how even the smallest, most overlooked remnants can be elevated into meaningful, sophisticated decor when approached with intention and imagination. Scrap wood often begins its final chapter as a byproduct of larger builds, cut-offs from furniture making, construction waste, or fragments deemed too irregular to be useful. Yet within these pieces lies a quiet beauty shaped by growth, age, and use. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Their circular forms, layered grains, saw marks, and weathered edges are not flaws to be hidden but visual narratives waiting to be revealed. By reimagining these fragments as wall-mounted art and time-inspired decorative pieces, makers transform what was once forgotten into objects that command attention, turning walls into storytelling surfaces that celebrate sustainability, craftsmanship, and the poetry of reuse. This process challenges the assumption that decor must begin with pristine materials, instead proving that character, texture, and history are powerful design assets. The journey of scrap wood into wall art deco begins with a shift in perspective, seeing potential where others see waste. Circular offcuts, end-grain slices, and irregular shapes are often discarded precisely because they resist conventional use. Yet these same qualities make them ideal for expressive wall art. The concentric rings of a tree's growth, revealed in circular cuts, offer natural symmetry and rhythm, while grooves left by saw blades or time itself add depth and movement. When these elements are arranged thoughtfully, they evoke balance and calm, making them particularly suited for decorative pieces that anchor a space visually. Rather than forcing uniformity, the maker allows the wood's natural form to guide the design, embracing asymmetry, variation, and texture as core aesthetic principles. As the scrap wood is cleaned and prepared, its hidden stories begin to surface. Subtle color variations reveal differences in age and exposure, while cracks and knots hint at the environmental forces the tree once endured. These marks are not erased but stabilized and highlighted, ensuring durability while preserving authenticity. Gentle sanding softens sharp edges without stripping away character, and natural finishes enhance grain patterns, allowing the wood to breathe and age gracefully. In wall art applications, this tactile quality becomes especially important as the piece interacts with light and shadow throughout the day, changing subtly with the environment and adding a dynamic presence to interior spaces. The transformation becomes even more compelling when these wooden forms are reimagined as time-inspired decor, where circular scrap wood elements echo the passage of time itself. Wood, having grown ring by ring over decades, becomes a natural metaphor for time, memory, and continuity. When crafted into elegant wall pieces or clock-like art forms, the material's inherent symbolism deepens the emotional impact. The grooves and rings that once served as structural indicators now become visual focal points, reminding viewers that time leaves its mark in layers, not lines. This conceptual connection elevates the decor beyond ornamentation, turning it into a reflective object that resonates with viewers on a personal level. In a modern interior context, scrap wood wall art offers a powerful counterbalance to sleek, manufactured surfaces. Its organic textures soften minimalist spaces, while its history adds warmth to contemporary design. Whether displayed as a single statement piece or as part of a curated arrangement, reclaimed wood art introduces a sense of grounding that feels both timeless and current. The contrast between raw material and refined composition creates visual tension that draws the eye and invites closer inspection. This ability to feel both rustic and sophisticated makes scrap wood wall art deco versatile, adaptable to a wide range of styles and environments. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Sustainability is woven seamlessly into this creative practice, not as a trend, but as a foundational value. By repurposing scrap wood, makers extend the life cycle of materials that would otherwise contribute to waste, reducing demand for new resources and minimizing environmental impact. This approach aligns with a growing cultural desire for responsible consumption, where decor choices reflect ethical considerations as well as aesthetic preferences. Scrap wood wall art becomes a tangible expression of circular design, demonstrating how beauty and responsibility can coexist without compromise. Each piece stands as proof that sustainable decor can be elegant, desirable, and deeply meaningful. The economic significance of transforming scrap wood into wall art is equally compelling. Low material costs allow creators to focus on craftsmanship and design innovation, making this practice accessible to emerging artisans and small businesses. The uniqueness of each piece enhances its perceived value, as buyers recognize that no two artworks are ever the same. This individuality, combined with the story of transformation behind each creation, supports premium pricing and fosters a deeper connection between maker and audience. Customers are not simply purchasing decor. They are investing in a narrative of renewal and creativity that enriches their living space. Emotionally, scrap wood wall art deco resonates because it embodies resilience and transformation. Viewers often feel an intuitive connection to materials that have lived before, sensing the passage of time embedded within the wood. This connection fosters mindfulness, encouraging slower looking and deeper appreciation in a world often defined by speed and disposability. The art becomes a quiet companion, offering moments of reflection and grounding within daily life. Its presence on the wall serves as a reminder that value can be rediscovered, that beauty can emerge from imperfection, and that transformation is always possible. Ultimately, transforming discarded scrap wood into wall art deco is an act of honoring material, time, and intention. It celebrates the inherent circularity of nature and the enduring stories held within wood, reframing waste as opportunity and craft as stewardship. By embracing texture, history, and form, makers create sophisticated decor that transcends trends and speaks to a deeper human desire for connection and meaning. These wall-mounted artworks do more than decorate. They tell stories of growth, resilience, and renewal, proving that even the smallest fragments, when seen with care and creativity, can become lasting symbols of sustainable beauty. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.